How to find permissions settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find permissions settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines here on in the top corner, and then go down until you find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it, and after you click on it you will find this one, settings. Click, and here all you do is just go down and you will find this one, permissions. And as you see here, you can manage permissions, settings, location or games, browser. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.